Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT plugin. So just tap on my ChatGPT application on my iOS device. I will just tap on it and make sure you will have signed in on this application and how to get used to plugin on this ChatGPT. So there is the only way to you will just tap on this get plus version of this chat gpt plus for more messages on our most powerful model with premium features up to 5x more messages on gpt 4.0 and access to gpt 4. So there is a new models that you will using premium features when you buy it package and higher limits for photos and file uploads, web browsing, image generation and data analysis, access to advanced voice mode, and use create and share custom gpts and early access to new features. So when you just upgrade to plus this with $20 something, and you will when you buy it, so on your desktop mode, so you will just find the setting in plugin. After you get ChatGPT plus, just tap on the settings, and after next you will see this beta feature. Just tap on it, and after next just turn it on the plugins and choose the model of GPT-4 and plug into store, and just tap to proceed, and here is connected plugin. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.